So from my experience, it seems that only a small group of people are familiar with this money-making method, which makes me all the more excited to share this with you because there's so few people doing it. This method is 100% free and will require zero upfront costs. The only thing that's required is either a phone or computer with a Wi-Fi connection. So let's begin this money-making method. The first step I'd like you to do is head over to this website called hiresign.com. This website will provide a wide variety of different online jobs that you can start yourself to earn a lot of money. And again, this is completely free, so creating an account will cost you nothing. So here you can see that there are several different job opportunities that you can choose from to make money online. You can choose from typing jobs, proofreading jobs, paid survey jobs, graphic design jobs, PowerPoint presentation jobs, Excel spreadsheet jobs, and more. So on this website, I'd like to show you how to save a lot of time and how to make the most amount of money. So we're going to be looking at proofreading jobs. So if we click on it and scroll down, we can see here that you will get paid between $5 and $50, which is exceeding the US average hourly wage for translators. All you have to do is find and correct typogrammatical errors made by others. And there's no need to worry because even if you are someone who isn't the best English speaker, you aren't required to speak to anyone. You also won't need any prior experience to do this job. Being a proofreader for this job is a lot less difficult than you might expect. Towards the end of this video, I'm going to be revealing a few valuable tools to help you automate this work and this process for yourself. So make sure you stick around to see what they are. HireSign is an amazing website because their payouts are very high and have competitive prices compared to many other similar websites. They also have very flexible hours where you can work when you want, wherever you want, and in any time zone all across the world. So I'm going to walk you through the process of creating your own free account. Also, the application process is a little tricky and difficult, so make sure you pay close attention to not make any mistakes, as that will not allow you to actually create your account. After you've clicked on proofreading jobs, you'll then see this button right here that says Apply Now. Click on that, and then you'll be redirected to this page. These are the 3 steps of your application process, beginning with reviewing the hiring process, submitting your job application, and then completing a sample project provided by them. Next, you'll want to click on this button right here that says Application Form. After clicking that, you'll be redirected to this page where you'll fill in some basic personal information and some other important questions that you'll need to answer correctly in order to get accepted for this job opportunity so you can start to make money. I'll walk you through this whole process and show you each step. So first, they'll ask for your username, first and last name, age, email, password confirmation, your phone number, your gender, and then check this box to confirm that you agree to their privacy policy. And now here is where it gets important. Under Select Your Notice Period, you will want to select Immediately because then you'll be accepted within 24 hours if you select this option. That way you can begin working on the jobs that they provide to you here and start earning your money. And then under which position you are interested in, make sure to select Proofreading Job because like I mentioned previously, it will pay you more than the other jobs. Next, you will select your country, and this is available anywhere in the world, so just select whichever country you reside in. And then under Current Work Status, type in Freelancer. This is a really important step because the likelihood of you getting accepted as a freelancer is a lot higher than any other position. Now let me show you how you should write in this Brief Yourself section. Before I do, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Something like this is a good framework or foundation of how you can start writing this yourself. Hi, my name is blank. I'm very interested in applying for this proofreading job with HireSign. I'm also open and available to receiving other job offers as well. After you've completed writing your brief, then you'll want to check this box to indicate that you've read and agreed to the terms of service and privacy policy. And then finally, you'll click on this blue register button to complete your registration. It shouldn't take any longer than about 24 hours for you to get accepted into hiresign.com. When you receive your documents for you to proofread, you can simply upload them to your Google Docs where Google will automatically detect any grammatical or spelling errors for you. All you need to do is find all the red-colored, underlined words and then right-click them to instantly correct them. That's all you need to do. I want to show you another tool that can help you make this process a lot simpler for you. I want you to go to Google and search Reverso Speller. Then I want you to click on the URL that has reverso.net. It's a software that helps you detect any grammatical and spelling errors. All you have to do is copy and paste any text into this box right here, and then just click on this yellow button. And just like that, it'll detect any errors for you in a matter of seconds. And you can repeat this process as many times as you'd like. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to watch another video on how to make money online, check out this video right here.